Hi viewers, today we're going to see how to convert a repaired refrigerator into an incubator. First, we have to remove all the shelves of the fridge. And then we have to completely dismantle the fridge. For that purpose, we are using a cutting machine. After the complete dismantle, the fridge door will appear like this. The next procedure is to trace the glass on the fridge door. This procedure is done for the placement of the glass within the fridge frame. The next procedure is to draw a replica of the same rectangle but 1 centimeter less than it within the rectangle. This procedure is important for the glass to be 1 centimeter greater than the area we are about to place it, because it ensures the tight sealment of the glass to the cut area. After this procedure, we are going to cut the inner triangle using a cutting machine along its entire perimeter. Now we have cut the entire rectangle along its perimeter. Now remove the inner rectangle from the fridge door. This is how the fridge door appears after the complete removal. This is after the complete placement of the glass within the fridge door. We can use a silicone paste for the tight sealment and also reinforce it by applying a layer of thermocol. Repeat the same procedure for the above door. This is a homemade tray which was made only for this purpose. If anyone wants to know how this was made, please comment below. We'll be happy to make a new video on that. These trays are stocked up in the body of the fridge. Here we are using a synchronized motor which rotates in a very slow rate at 4 to 6 rotations per minute. It is very important that the rotations are very slow and smooth, as it helps in the even distribution of heat throughout the eggs, which is very important for hatching. Now we have to connect the synchronizing motor to a AC current supply. Now the egg cartons are placed on each rack. Over here we are checking the temperature of the light bulb, which is required for the hatching of the eggs. normal temperature should be between 35 degrees Celsius to 40.5 degrees Celsius. Over here we are getting a range between 37 to 39 degrees Celsius, which is actually good. So this is how the final outcome will look like, and the bulbs are placed at the bottom of the fridge, and for this we are using the direct current, not alternating current. We have placed the thermometers in the designated positions in order to check the temperature and to ensure that the temperature is not rising too high or is dropping low. Here we have placed 4 eggs just for testing the efficiency of this incubator. Fans are placed in order to regulate the temperature and to prevent overheating. It is very important to maintain the temperature between the range of 35 degrees Celsius to 40.5 degrees Celsius. Any increase in temperature above 40 degrees Celsius can be very harmful for the embryo. Most embryos won't survive above this temperature. So since the incubator is finally ready, we are going to check out the efficiency of the incubator with a pile of eggs. Over here we have a very large egg and as well as the most smallest one also. Since the temperature required is same for both of these eggs, it's not a problem. So yes, we just need to place all the eggs on the egg carton and let the incubator do its job. We had already tried this in the previous batch of 4 eggs and it was a complete success, but unfortunately we were not able to film that, so this is where we're doing now. And yes, after a few days, we finally found out that one of our eggs finally hatched. And after 2-3 days later, there were 4 more hatched, and all others were in the process of hatching. So yes, it was a huge success. There were like only hardly 7 eggs that couldn't make it, and the rest, all the eggs were turned into beautiful chicks. It will be always good if you leave the chicks in the incubator for a few days, because they obviously need the warmth of their mother, which is not possible. So we have to give it artificially to them. So all the newly born chicks couldn't be accommodated in the incubator, so we created a new area where they can stay. Once the chicks are quite mature enough, we transfer them to a cage. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any queries or doubts, please let us know and mention it in the comments down below. We will be very happy to tell you. And we will be posting new videos based on new innovations, so stay subscribed.